Here I have ALCATEL 3X 2020, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, let's enter settings, then go to the sound section, and here you have Do Not Disturb preferences. Here you have some of the settings of the Do Not Disturb mode, but you can actually turn it on here at the upper bar by tapping on it. And here you can edit some of its settings, for example, priority only allows. It could be reminders, events, alarms, messages from anyone, contacts only from the specific contacts. This one goes, the same goes for calls. And there's also an option repeater callers. If the same person calls a second time within a 15 minutes period, allowed. And you can also add automatic rules, and rules is basically just a schedule when the Do Not Disturb mode will be automatically turned on and turned off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.